Hi guys, Quark is back with another video, and today I will be teaching you the leveling system. So it should be pretty easy because we will be using a npm package called Dicord.js. I have been using it personally and I find it um, fairly easy to deal with. So today I'll be teaching you to create a level system and then integrate it with setup command later in the later episode to uh, either enable or disable level up in the server. So let's get on with it. Last time we did inline reply, if I remember it correctly. So code dot. So here is our this help.js. We don't need to deal with help.js. We should deal with event handler. I'll be creating a new category called levels today. Yep. And let me open the package. So here's the Discord-XP package. It is a lightweight and easy to use XP framework. Uses MongoDB. We already have MongoDB set up. So if you haven't watched the video how to set up MongoDB, feel free to watch it in my channel. And to install it, we can just use npm I discord-xp. So let's before installing it, let's look at the documentation first. So setting up here, we're supposed to have require discord-xp and then set the MongoDB URL. Here would be allocating random XP for each message sent. So here, this part is it will random the number from 1 to 30. As you can see here is from 1 to 29, and then plus 1, so it will be max 30 and minimum is 1. And here it would append the XP to that author ID and that guild ID, and this one will be taken from this one. And if the user has leveled up, it will send that congratulations, you have leveled up to something level. This part is for checking the rank command. This one is for the leaderboard command. And here, these are the methods. So I'll walk you through these three parts today. Let me find it. Random XP, rank command, and leaderboard command. So let's get on with it. So first we have to install discord-xp. So npm I discord-xp. So right here we have already installed it. Now let's go back and look at our setup. You have to require levels. You can name it levels or anything you want. I will just name it the same way as the documentation. So let's copy and paste it. We will be using a message event, right? So I'll put it under message event. And under it would be set the URL. So right here would be, and instead of MongoDB here, we have already required MongoDB URL. So just copy this and replace it with this. And then we're done. So after that, we will put it under. Let's put it under. Or should I put it before? I'll put it before. It should be right here. So I'll just copy this part right here. Whoops, it should be only this part because we already have a message event. Oh, also we have to put here, if it's not from the guild, this part, if it's not from the guild or from the server, then return, so it won't do anything. And right here we would copy this part and paste it here. Let's format it. Alright. So here it would give the minimum of 1 and max would be 30. I'll just change it to, let's say, 9. So if I change it to 9, this one will be, max would be 10. But I'll just leave it as it is right now. So this one will fetch the levels from the MongoDB, and it will send that congratulations, you have level up to level something something something. Alright, so we're done with this achievement. Now let's go to levels, and let me copy the ping command and paste it in level command. Paste. Alright. So let's remove this, this part, and change the category to be level. After that, are we supposed to do? Yes, okay, we will be doing rank first. So change from this one to be rank, rename to be rank.js. Description would be show users rank. Users rank. And right here we can just copy, paste. And this should be it. There's something wrong with the code. Is it? What is wrong though? Let me proofread it. Got it. Target.id. So let me explain this first. So this one will be getting the target, and this will get the user. It would fetch the target.id, and then get from the guild. I mean, not get from the guild ID. And if there is no user, then return message.channel.sent. Seem like this user has not earned any XP so far. And let's use Canva Core. So let me search for Canva Core, because I remember there's a rank card which would make it look so much better here. Rank card. We just copy this. So let's require Canva Core first. Canva Core, and then we have it installed, right? Yes, we install it. So Canva. Oh, we forget to get the level system. Should be rank. Alright. So levels, and then it will fetch it. Then we will create a rank card. Instead of this, we will comment it out first. And let's say actually I'll just copy and paste to save the time. Just copy this here and then paste it here, and we will have to change some stuff. So let's say set avatar would be message.auto.display avatar URL, and then make dynamic false, dynamic false, and format should be in PNG. set current XP would be user because we already fetched it, right? And right here set required XP would be, I think it should be, oh, we have to create one more. Let's say const needed XP would be levels.xp for, and then parse integer in, parse int, and then user.level plus 1. So this will get the, wait, what, something is wrong? Oh, okay, nothing is wrong now. So this will get the user level and then plus 1, so it will get the levels.xp for. So we'll get the XP for the next level. It is stated in, I think down here, XP4, let me see. Here, it returns a number that increases amount of XP required to reach a level based on the input. And it will parse out as integer. So required XP would be needed XP, and then set status would be message.author.presence.status, and then it will be true. Here, as you can see here, it asks whether you want it to be circle. I would say true, and then the width, it can be either number or boolean. I'll just put it true. And what else do we need? Let's do set rank, and set rank would be user dot position, if I remember it correctly. And what else do we do? Oh, we got XP, but we don't have levels yet. So set level would be user dot level, because we have require user dot level here. And what else should we add? We got XP level position. Let's do set progress bar. I don't like white. Let's do green. Let's search for hex color. And let's just grab this. Pretty simple, right? Alright, let's remove this. So set username, fairly easy. Just message dot message please dot author dot username, and discriminator would be author dot discriminator dot discriminator. Alright, so I think we're done. Now we just go back to the Canva code and just copy this part. So here, as you can see, the preview, it will show the rank, the levels, the username, the discriminator, the XP user has, and the amount to reach. So right here, and I think we are done. Rank.build, then data, new Discord messages hat. Okay, I have required Discord. And I think we're done. So you can test it out. Note dot. As you can see, rank is here. If I do dash rank, whoop. Oh, I forget the permission. Would be send messages clear no dot dash rank. I'll just comment out. Wait, let me check something out. Is sent messages index. Oh no, I mean it should be in message event. Yeah, send messages. Not sure what could be causing the problem. Actually, I'll just do this. Let's comment out the permission handler first, because I'm too lazy to deal with it right now. Let's just remove the send message part and dash record, whoops, record dash rank invalid image format of PNG. I'm sorry. No, dot dash rank. Line 26. It should be user.position. IP first target.id. Let's do true. Whoop, true. Let me check the fetch. Rank. Missing discriminator. Oh, it's not set discriminator. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Dash rank. Finally. So as you can see here, it worked. If I do dash rank again, it would show this out. So the problem was it need to require true here to actually fetch the target from the database, and here I have changed the discriminator, and instead of ping I'm supposed to write PNG. So here we got, if I do rank at Quark, it should get, oh it doesn't. Maybe it's something because of this, like I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it's accept the mention, sometimes it doesn't. So you can fix that by either remove this or just use this only instead. So let's move on from the rank part to what's it called? Leaderboard, I think. Yes, leaderboard. So let's just copy this and rename it to leaderboard. I'll just name it leaderboard. Category level description. Show server level leaderboard. Remove all of these. And let's just copy this part. And we should be good to go. So here, if we check, this one will fetch the leaderboard. However, it will fetch 10 of them. If you think it's too much, just set it to 5. So we grab 5, usually with most XP. And this one, if it couldn't get any person in the leaderboard, it will say nobody is in leaderboard yet, which means no one has actually sent a single message to accept the leaderboard, not the leaderboard, the levels. And here it would map the position, the username, and the discriminator. You can also do this. Whoops. And let's. I don't think I can do anything more with it. We can make an embed for this. Let's do it. Const leaderboard embed equal new. Have I defined Discord? Yes. Discord dot message embed. And let's set color. Set color. Let's do blue. I could get it from pink. Nope. I'll just do random because I'm too lazy to grab the hex color. Or I can just name it blue. Dot set author would be leaderboard. Let me grab an emoji with this. Alright, look much better. And set description, we can just copy this part right here. Let's do this and then set timestamp and then set footer client dot user username client dot user dot display play avatar URL. Alright, and then instead of this we will send the leaderboard embed. So let's check it out. No dot, and right here would be leaderboard. As you can see here, if we show the levels and the XP, now I have 165. If I do dash rank, it would be the same. As you can see, because I just gained another XP from writing it. So that's it. As you can see, it will be getting the status as well. You have to enable it on Discord. Discord.com/developers. If you go to YouTube tutorials and you scroll down, find OAuth. Wait, it's supposed to be bot. And make sure you enable present intents and server member intents. Here it will track present data, which is this one, and it will, in the bot we'll be able to get the status of the user. So that should be it for today. You can also look more into the package, like you can append XP, like a mod can add XP to a user, a mod can add level to a user, a mod can set user XP, set user level, or subtract XP, subtract level. Right here it's not supposed to be append. Maybe I think it's something wrong with the documentation. It's supposed to be subtract level, so keep that in mind. It's supposed to be this one. Just copy this and paste it here instead. So that should be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you got any problem. Feel free to join my server as well. I'll be constantly checking if anybody needs help or making the server more active. See you in the next video.